Sports. Baka sports.
Dapat na ako, correct.
Sports. Hindi ko siya. Yata yan ah. Sport. Hindi ako firm eh.
Ano to Candid? Hindi ko alam Candid.
Siya daw kahit ano.
Laging ano.
Yan yung research.
Loving.
Cutie.
Oh my.
Sino yung sabi na?
Daddy
first na nagsabi nun.
Julie, pakibilisan kasi 5 o'clock uuwi na kami.
Approachable, kind, generous, sweet, kind and very helpful, no pressure, calm. Sino nakabol? Best sister ever!
Raise allowance.
Please allowance, baby.
Ginagawa agad ang nagbo-ballpen, no? Wala na biglang nag-ballpen.
O, siya na.
Ay, si Mami Joy. Oh, sige ako na.
Yung
Nakaballpen?
magandang, sulat.
Nakaballpen si ano. Ay, hindi. Ito nakaballpen.
Mami Joy nga.
Si din ang nakaballpen.
Hanap.
Injection, di ba? Injection na.
Pala
Okay.
Oh, jolly, dancer, energetic, kind, respectful, sweet, super kind talaga. Best friend.
Super.
Yung naka-ballpen. Good. Even if no one is looking. Dancer. Yun lang.
Ikaw na ang dancer of the year.
Oh, si Mika.
Siyempre si Mika pag
Mabait, hindi.
Cool, sweet, kind, friendly, like Miss
Si Jeng yun, si Jeng. Kasi siya lang yung matawag Miss Juice.
Good sister, polite, pretty,
Nice.
good sister siguro.
Ay, sila yung sumunod.
Makulit, funny, bubbly, makulit, pinapit, sweet, makulit. Simple and child-hearted. Uy!
Nakalalaman yun.
Pinaka-sensitive.
Makulit, sweet too, and jolly. Makulit talaga ako.
In short,
Sigurado kay J.R. fabulous.
Kaya nga eh.
Okay, me.
A good friend, kind-hearted, creative, kind and considerate, artistic. Ano ko yun? Kind.
Artistic ko naman.
Fast, kind, silent but deadly. Kind.
Alam na eh.
Very kind and friendly. Beautiful.
Walang beautiful.
pretty daw. Nakalimutan ko. Next time.
Isa pa lang.
Ayaw ko lang.
Kind.
Ay, hindi ko nakasulat eh, no? Hindi mo sinabihan.
Cutie ako.
Dapat pa tinagay natin style.
Ba't parang ang dami naman nagsulat dito? Parang tatlo.
Baka isa lang yan. Okay.
Isa lang yung nag-ano. Defendable.
Kailangan ganyan.
Cute daw ako. Fun. Crazy fun. Weird. Yeah, that's me.
Sabi mo yun.
Warm. Kind. Warm ako. Warm blood. Happy, and gay. Charming. Charming. Dapat pala arte. Ako magsusulat. Arte.
Kim. Ako question mark, galante. Galante.
Galante with the question.
Kind mother, parang ate ko lang. Super approachable, mabait. Hindi nga ragor stress, sabi ni Pin. Good friend. Friendly, kind, motherly.
Looking like a
Again, sa Mami Joy.
Oh, but naman, sila smart. Smart?
Street business.
street, business smart. Fashionista, oh. Sino to nagsabi perfect? Kasi kulang. Almost naman. Mother, tapos ano to? Loving daughter, business-minded, jolly, joyful, may joy, smart, motherly, loving mother, and creative. That's it. That's you?
That's you.
Baka nagkasamaan pa niyo.
Natanong ko si Tunsun.
Huli-huli ako.
Okay, sa akin naman, good leader. Yes. Bago to, fatherly and funny. Funny pala ako. Ganun. Cool and friendly. May patutunguhan. Serious, ako talaga to. Serious to. Good provider and father. Funny, ba talaga? Dependable.
Hindi siya naniniwala.
Good leader and responsible.
Serious nga daw.
Responsible.
Ngayon lang namin yan na-realize.
Ay, nag-outing.
Si Glenn.
Ay, si Glass.
Fabulous.
Yes.
Yes, fabulous.
Supermodel.
Warm smile, kind-hearted, soft-hearted,
Lahat ng heart.
mahinhin at calm, pink, friendly, strong person, friendly,
Mak.
fashionable,
Ulitin mo yung sa'yo, wala ka eh.
reliable, open, kind.
Yung may kilig.
Sa akin.
Isa pa. Ika, ulitin. Sabihin mo, ay, bakit madilim?
Dalawang good looking. Isang patient. Dalawang kind. Dalawang friendly. 4 na creative. Isang reliable. Isang leader type. Saka isang gentleman.